Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Nightlight on Asus Zenbook. And to do this we'll need to click on the Start and open the settings. Here you will find the display, and under the brightness you will find Nightlight. Click on to enable it. Now there's also option to customize the strength of the Nightlight with the slider. And one last thing is to schedule it. So you can schedule it for the night, and that's very handy because you can turn it on a specific hour and it will automatically turn off at also a specific hour or time of the day. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.